Welcome to today's English Vocabulary Challenge. If you can correctly understand all 50 words in this quiz, your English vocabulary is already extremely advanced. We'll begin with easier words and slowly move toward more difficult vocabulary. Here's how the challenge works. I'll say a word and give you 3 possible meanings. Your job is to choose the correct definition before I reveal the answer. Ready? Let's begin. Word number 1. Ancient. Does ancient mean modern, very old, or dangerous? Ancient means very old. The pyramids are ancient structures. Word number 2. Fragile. Does fragile mean strong, expensive, or easily broken? Fragile means easily broken. Be careful with that glass vase because it's fragile. Word number 3. Expand. Does expand mean to grow larger, to disappear, or to delay? Expand means to grow larger. The company plans to expand next year. Word number 4. Observe. Does observe mean to ignore, to watch carefully, or to argue? Observe means to watch carefully. Scientists observe the stars every night. Word number 5. Generous. Does generous mean selfish, kind and giving, or nervous? Generous means kind and giving. She was generous enough to help everyone. Word number 6. Delay. Does delay mean to hurry, to postpone, or to remove? Delay means to postpone. The flight was delayed because of the storm. Word number 7. Cautious. Does cautious mean careless, angry, or careful? Cautious means careful. Drivers should be cautious during heavy rain. Word number 8. Determine. Does determine mean to decide, to weaken, or to escape? Determine means to decide. We need to determine the best solution. Word number 9. Efficient. Does efficient mean wasteful, effective and productive, or slow? Efficient means effective and productive. This machine is very efficient. Word number 10. Reliable. Does reliable mean trustworthy, confusing, or noisy? Reliable means trustworthy. James is reliable and always arrives on time. Word number 11. Scarce. Does scarce mean plentiful, rare, or colorful? Scarce means rare. Clean water is scarce in some regions. Word number 12. Adapt. Does adapt mean to adjust, to destroy, or to repeat? Adapt means to adjust. Animals adapt to their environments. Word number 13. Vivid. Does vivid mean dull, bright and clear, or weak? Vivid means bright and clear. She described the dream in vivid detail. Word number 14. Neglect. Does neglect mean to care for, to ignore, or to improve? Neglect means to ignore. Plants die when people neglect them. Word number 15. Moderate. Does moderate mean extreme, balanced, or dangerous? Moderate means balanced. The weather today is moderate and pleasant. Word number 16. Precise. Does precise mean exact, careless, or delayed? Precise means exact. The engineer gave precise measurements. Word number 17. Reluctant. Does reluctant mean unwilling, excited, or cheerful? Reluctant means unwilling. He was reluctant to speak in public. Word number 18. Absorb. Does absorb mean to take in, to throw away, or to separate? Absorb means to take in. Sponges absorb water quickly. Word number 19. Frequent. Does frequent mean rare, regular, and common, or temporary? Frequent means regular and common. They make frequent trips to New York. Word number 20. Restore. Does restore mean to damage, to repair, or to exchange? Restore means to repair. Workers restored the old building. Word number 21. Harsh. Does harsh mean gentle, severe, or silent? Harsh means severe. The desert has a harsh climate. Word number 22. Complex. Does complex mean simple, difficult and detailed, or emotional? Complex means difficult and detailed. Math can sometimes be complex. Word number 23. Abundant. Does abundant mean scarce, plentiful, or risky? Abundant means plentiful. The forest has abundant wildlife. Word number 24. Resist. Does resist mean to fight against, to welcome, or to explain? Resist means to fight against. Some bacteria resist antibiotics. Word number 25. Temporary. Does temporary mean permanent, short-term, or expensive? Temporary means short-term. They found temporary housing after the flood. Word number 26. Compel. Does compel mean to force, to entertain, or to confuse? Compel means to force. The law compels citizens to pay taxes. Word number 27. Exhausted. Does exhausted mean energetic, extremely tired, or angry? Exhausted means extremely tired. After work, she felt exhausted. Word number 28. Tolerate. Does tolerate mean to accept, to celebrate, or to replace? Tolerate means to accept. Some people cannot tolerate loud noise. Word number 29. Diminish. Does diminish mean to increase, to reduce, or to organize? Diminish means to reduce. The pain gradually diminished. Word number 30. Conceal. Does conceal mean to reveal, to hide, or to repair? Conceal means to hide. He concealed the surprise gift. Word number 31. Acquire. Does acquire mean to lose, to obtain, or to borrow? Acquire means to obtain. She acquired valuable experience abroad. Word number 32. Lethargic. Does lethargic mean energetic, lazy, and tired, or adventurous? Lethargic means lazy and tired. Hot weather made everyone lethargic. Word number 33. Valid. Does valid mean incorrect, legally acceptable, or mysterious? Valid means legally acceptable or correct. Your passport is still valid. Word number 34. Dispute. Does dispute mean agreement, argument, or silence? Dispute means argument. The neighbors had a dispute over parking. Word number 35. Accelerate. Does accelerate mean to slow down, to speed up, or to relax? Accelerate means to speed up. The car accelerated quickly. Word number 36. Imply. Does imply mean to suggest indirectly, to scream loudly, or to cancel? Imply means to suggest indirectly. His words implied disappointment. Word number 37. Vulnerable. Does vulnerable mean protected, easily harmed, or wealthy? Vulnerable means easily harmed. Children are vulnerable to disease. Word number 38. Generate. Does generate mean to create, to destroy, or to postpone? Generate means to create. Solar panels generate electricity. Word number 39. Restrict. Does restrict mean to limit, to encourage, or to simplify? Restrict means to limit. The school restricts cell phone use. Word number 40. Persistent. Does persistent mean giving up easily, continuing firmly, or dishonest? Persistent means continuing firmly. She remained persistent despite failure. Word number 41. Ambitious. Does ambitious mean lazy, highly motivated, or uncertain? Ambitious means highly motivated. He is ambitious and works very hard. Word number 42. Contradict. Does contradict mean to agree, to oppose with words, or to entertain? Contradict means to oppose with words. The evidence contradicts his story. Word number 43. Transparent. Does transparent mean invisible, easy to understand, or expensive? Transparent means easy to understand or see through. The company promised transparent policies. Word number 44. Hostile. Does hostile mean friendly, aggressive, or humorous? Hostile means aggressive. The crowd became hostile after the game. Word number 45. Relieve. Does relieve mean to reduce pain, to increase stress, or to replace? Relieve means to reduce pain or stress. Medicine helped relieve her headache. Word number 46. Interpret. Does interpret mean to explain meaning, to repeat exactly, or to ignore? Interpret means to explain meaning. Can you interpret this sentence for me? Word number 47. Profound. Does profound mean shallow, deep and meaningful, or temporary? Profound means deep and meaningful. The book had a profound effect on me. Word number 48. Terminate. Does terminate mean to begin, to end, or to discover? Terminate means to end. The company terminated the contract. Word number 49. Distort. Does distort mean to clarify, to twist out of shape, or to decorate? Distort means to twist or change unfairly. Mirrors can distort reflections. And finally, word number 50. Meticulous. Does meticulous mean careless, extremely careful, or emotional? Meticulous means extremely careful. The artist was meticulous with every detail. That's the end of the challenge. How many words did you get correct? Write your score in the comments and challenge your friends to beat it. Keep learning, keep practicing, and your English vocabulary will continue growing every single day. Don't forget to subscribe to Academy of English Excellence for more English learning videos, vocabulary quizzes, grammar lessons, and daily English practice. See you in the next lesson.